Puro sugar at protein. Let's simplify things. This is the simplest composition of sugar and protein. First is the sugar. So sa sugar, kailangan natin ng carbon atom, hydrogen, at oxygen. Ang sugar is the main source of energy. Tama? At least glucose. Now this is the molecular composition of protein. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen with the addition of nitrogen. So compare natin, malapit lang, diba? To use protein as energy, kailangan pa natin dumaan sa maraming metabolic pathway. Yes, marami. Just to remove the nitrogen. Now, if nitrogen is removed, then what's left is the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Make sense? Balik pa siya sugar. Make sense na? Then what will happen to the nitrogen? Now, the nitrogen will become the non-protein nitrogen or the NPN. So, what are the non-protein nitrogen? Familiar ito sa'yo kung parati ka nagpapalab. Uric acid, creatinine, urea, ammonia, at yung hindi mo familiar, allantoin at amino acid. Familiar, di ba? Those are the waste product na hindi na kailangan ng katawan. Except sa amino acid. Siyempre, kasi ang amino acid, kailangan yan para gumawa ng protein. When this is increased in your lab test, there must be a problem in your diet. Or to put it in medical perspective, there is a problem on your organ having trouble with eliminating these toxins. Make sense? Diba? Simple lang kasi intro lang yun. Sana'y makatulong sa iyo on another content. And if medically related student ka, sana'y natulungan kita. See you. Share.